What if I told you that most lost luggage isn't really lost at all, but actually slips into a hidden loophole of airline baggage systems where a single unnoticed mistake, like a duplicate barcode, a smeared tag, or even a scanner misread, can send your suitcase to a completely different continent, and sometimes it vanishes for months before resurfacing in a dusty warehouse or an auction? The truth is, airlines rarely explain just how fragile their systems are, but the insiders know that you can outsmart these failures with a few clever, almost secret strategies that most travelers never hear about. Imagine this. Snapping a clear photo of the underside of your baggage tag at check-in doesn't just give you proof of ownership. It creates a digital breadcrumb trail that can help track your bag faster than the airline's own system. Or picture yourself writing your final destination's 3-letter code in thick black marker under your bag's zipper flap. A tiny detail that ground staff instantly recognize and use as a shortcut when barcodes fail. Then there's the overlooked but powerful move of slipping a laminated card inside your suitcase with your itinerary, hotel details, and a WhatsApp number. This gives any honest staff member who opens it a direct line to you, bypassing endless airline bureaucracy. Even stranger, did you know that decorative ribbons, stickers, or leftover airline tags actually increase your risk of permanent loss? That's because scanners sometimes pick up ghost barcodes, rerouting your luggage to a city you never intended. And while most travelers swear by AirTags, seasoned pros quietly know that in some international hubs, RFID chips printed on premium luggage tags are read more consistently by airport systems, making them far more reliable in certain scenarios. It doesn't stop there. The timing of when you check your bag matters more than you think, since bags loaded last often end up on top and are less likely to be rerouted in transfer chaos, while early checked bags can sink deep into conveyor belts that scanners sometimes skip. Combine all of these little-known truths with one more odd reality, that certain baggage belts have blind zones that swallow luggage for hours if it slides at the wrong angle, and suddenly you realize that preventing your bag from disappearing forever is less about luck and more about knowing the secret rhythm of airport machinery. If you can master these overlooked details, you'll never just be another passenger nervously waiting at the carousel. You'll be the traveler who understands how to beat the system itself, and your luggage will almost always find its way back to you, no matter how far it strays.